We cannot teach others anything, we can only help them find knowledge within themselves. In the future, there will be opened a gateway and a road to a large and excellent science, into which minds more piercing than mine shall penetrate to recesses still deeper. Two truths cannot contradict one another. I give thanks without limits to God, who gladly made me the first observer of extraordinary things. I have never met a man so ignorant that I couldn't learn something from him. Knowing thyself, that is the greatest wisdom. Never be afraid of loneliness and alienation, because you maintain the right principles. In science, the authority of thousands of opinions is not worth as much as a small spark of reason in a person. The strongest grass grows on the hardest soil. To order their astronomy professors to refute their own observations, is to order them not to see what they see, and not understand what they understand. Mathematics is the key and the door to the sciences. If you could see the earth illuminated, when you were in a place as dark as night, it would look to you more splendid than the moon. Nothing occurs contrary to nature, except the impossible, and that never occurs. To be humane, we must ever be ready to pronounce that wise, ingenious and modest statement, "I do not know." By denying scientific principles, one may maintain any paradox. Ladies, you cannot force to teach anything to a man, you can only help him find it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.